In this video, I explain the song, Like a Rolling Stone by Bob Dylan. You will learn why it is so special, and how it came to be. Bob Dylan wrote Like a Rolling Stone in 1965. He was only 24 years old at the time, and already a well-known folk singer. The song was created when he wrote down his thoughts in a hotel room in Woodstock, New York. He used the melody of La Bamba as inspiration. The recording of the song took place at Columbia Studio in Manhattan. The producer was Tom Wilson, who worked closely with Dylan. The musicians played a mix of folk, rock, and blues. After several attempts, the final version emerged, lasting over 6 minutes. Like a Rolling Stone was released as a single on July 20, 1965. Columbia Records initially thought the song was too long for a single, but Dylan insisted on keeping it uncut. The song became a huge success, reaching number 2 on the US charts. The song tells the story of a person who loses their high status and ends up on the streets. The title refers to the saying, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." Some believe Dylan was singing about the actress Edie Sedgwick. The lyrics are full of emotions such as disappointment and revenge. Like a Rolling Stone was one of the first folk rock songs. Dylan combined acoustic folk music with electric instruments. The chorus, "How Does It Feel?" became very famous. The song influenced many musicians and changed rock music. The song sold over 1 million copies worldwide. In the United States, it reached number 2 on the Billboard charts. It also made the top 10 in other countries, such as the United Kingdom and Canada. In Germany, it was also charted. Many artists have recorded new versions of Like a Rolling Stone. Famous covers include those by Jimi Hendrix, the Rolling Stones, and Green Day. In the German-speaking region, the band BAP created a version with new lyrics. Wolfgang Ambros also sang the song in German. Bob Dylan has performed the song regularly in concerts since 1965. He has played it live over 2,000 times. His performance at the Newport Folk Festival in 1965 is particularly well known. Many of these performances have been released on albums and DVDs. Like a Rolling Stone is considered one of the most important songs in rock music. Rolling Stone magazine named it the greatest song of all time in 2004. It shaped the music of the 1960s and inspired many artists. Even today, the song is widely listened to and appreciated.